Why does the internet feel so slow? It's a question many of us ask as we sit through endless loading screens and intrusive pop-ups. The modern web has become a tangled mess, and it's time to unravel it. Let's start with the sheer amount of JavaScript that's being loaded on websites today. Imagine a tiny HTML file, simple and efficient, next to a massive block of JavaScript code. This overload is like trying to fit a giant elephant into a small room. Each line of code adds weight, slowing down the entire experience. We've become so reliant on complex scripts that we've forgotten the beauty of simplicity. Then there's ad overload and tracking. Every time you visit a site, you're bombarded with ads and trackers, each one siphoning off precious bandwidth. It's not just about annoying pop-ups, it's about privacy. These trackers are like digital spies, following your every move across the web. The result? A sluggish experience that leaves you feeling exposed and frustrated. Over-engineering is another culprit. Take a simple blog post, for example. What used to be a straightforward piece of content has transformed into a complex framework filled with unnecessary features. This complexity doesn't enhance our experience, it complicates it. We need to ask ourselves, do we really need all these bells and whistles? Or can we strip it back to what truly matters? Next up is poor optimization. Picture an uncompressed 5 Meteor image versus an optimized 200 KB version. The difference is staggering. A bloated image can drag down an entire page, while a well-optimized one loads in the blink of an eye. It's about making smart choices that prioritize speed without sacrificing quality. And let's not forget user-hostile design. Intrusive pop-ups and auto-playing videos create a hostile environment for users. Instead of guiding us through a seamless experience, they shove us aside, demanding our attention in the most obnoxious ways. This design philosophy needs a serious rethink. Now, imagine a world where the web is fast, efficient, and user-friendly. A split-screen comparison reveals the stark differences between a broken page and a fixed one. The latter is clean, loads quickly, and respects your time. So, how do we fix the modern web? First, we need to embrace minimalism. Less bloat means faster load times and a better user experience. Second, we should prioritize privacy by minimizing tracking and ad clutter. Third, let's simplify our designs. A straightforward approach can often lead to a more enjoyable experience. Fourth, we must optimize our media. Compressing images and files can drastically improve performance. Finally, we need to design with the user in mind, creating interfaces that are intuitive and respectful. The internet can be a better place. With a little effort, we can transform it from a frustrating maze into a streamlined, purposeful tool. It's time to advocate for a web that values speed, efficiency, and user experience. Less bloat, more purpose,